Let's talk today about 10 bonuses that will help to sell your fitness planner. I think it's always a great idea whenever you can add extra value to anything that you're selling, but especially fitness planners, just to help people get started in the right direction on their new positive lifestyle. Now, today's list and where to source all of these great, amazing ideas are included in today's fitness planner, which is coming out today at noon. So you can make sure to get that as well as a done for you fitness planner. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get a notification when that video goes live today, because I will have a special price just for today. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. So let's get into our list today, the top 10 bonus ideas that will help to sell your fitness planner. And remember, not only are all those ideas listed inside of today's fitness planner that is for sale starting at noon, but I've also sourced for you exactly where you can go ahead and buy those. All right, so the first thing on the list is coaching. So I don't know if you can really buy coaching, but I have some ideas on how you can put together your own group coaching as well as individual one-on-one coaching, because a lot of times people just need a little bit of help and maybe they don't want to go to a personal trainer, but they really just have a lot of things that they would like some accountability for that they can discuss with someone over the phone or on a FaceTime or Zoom call or something else like that. The second thing is accountability. So that could be a Facebook group. It could be setting them up with accountability partners. So other people who have also purchased your planner, you can offer a matching service, or you can let them kind of match themselves up inside of your Facebook group, which you can only get access to if they buy your planner. The third one is diet foods and supplements. So the Tone It Up box, which I am actually unboxing this Saturday, came with a protein bar. So there's a ton of companies that are making really great protein bars or protein powders or different supplements that would love to partner with you on your fitness planner. Number 4 is exercise equipment. So obviously sending weights is probably not very cost effective for shipping, but you could send bands, you could send other things, like you could send hand grips. There's tons of fitness equipment that are smaller or lighter in weight, or you could again partner with a company that already sells and ships out fitness equipment, because it's not going to cost them that much extra to throw a planner inside of there. You could also do a bandana, you can do yoga mats, you can do yoga blocks, yoga ropes. Those are always really lightweight. And you could do socks, fitness socks, right? Or headbands. I love fitness headbands. Or I don't think people use sweatbands anymore, but they might. They could come back in fashion again. I think guys use those. Number 4 is jewelry. You could do a necklace. You could do a charm. You could do a bracelet. You could do a keychain with a cute little charm on it. Anything that has something like a cute little maybe dumbbells or a yoga mat or something declaring some cute little fitness phrase, and those would be a really great bonus as well. Number 6 is an activity tracker, and those are actually super inexpensive. I know you're probably thinking of the Apple Watch, which is not inexpensive, but you can have a fitness tracker. It does not have to be Apple. You could have them branded. You can order those in bulk in China for like 10 cents and then rebrand those and have those sent out with your fitness planner. Number 7 is a water bottle. I personally love the glass steak, if you've ever heard of that. It is glass with plastic around it, so it kind of is shatterproof. They also obviously have, people love the stainless steel lined ones because it keeps your water cold, but other people still are using regular water bottles that don't have either of those fancy things going on, so you could do that. And then you can also put like a cute little marketing thing inside or a cute logo or saying on it. Number 8 is clothes vouchers. The reason I say vouchers is because anytime I've seen anybody try to sell clothes, people are usually either pleasantly surprised that it fits, or they're disappointed because it's too tight, it's too big, they want to return it, and then all of a sudden you're doing all this customer service for clothing, versus if you just gave someone a voucher, if you were able to partner with Athleta or with who else? Lululemon, I can't believe I couldn't think of that word, then you could just do a voucher where then it's up to them to take care of the returns and the exchanges and everything else. Number 9 is you could do a fitness subscription box that includes your planner, or you could partner with somebody else who's already doing a fitness subscription box and ask them if they can throw your planner into their box for next month. Number 10 is an event ticket. So there are tons of fitness events all over the world. Fit and Fly Girl is a really popular vacation destination where people go for an entire week and they just work out together. There's yoga retreats. There's Canyon Ranch in Arizona, facilities that just host like weight loss and fitness retreats for people year round. So all of those are great ideas for places to partner up with and also offer vouchers for it included in your fitness planner. And everybody benefits because they're looking to help advertise their company. You're helping to help add value to your planner. So all around, really great ways to help incentivize people to make buying your fitness planner a no-brainer. So let's recap that list really quick. The first one was coaching, offering group or individual for when people buy your planner. Accountability partners through a Facebook group or offering matching services. Number 3 is diet and food supplements, our protein bars. Number 4 is exercise equipment, obviously something light. Number 5 is jewelry. Number 6 is an activity tracker. Number 7 is a water bottle. Number 8 is a clothes voucher. Number 9 is a fitness subscription box. And number 10 is event tickets or discounted tickets to a fitness event or fitness facility. All right, I hope that was helpful in giving you some ideas on how to make your planner like a no-brainer, irresistible, best marketing thing that you have ever sold. And I'm super excited because if you are watching this before noon, I will see you then to unveil the brand new fitness planner. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys on Saturday. Bye.